Right, so these shoes here coming away, look. You would think these have been in the washing machine. These belong to my daughter's boyfriend, James. Otherwise, they wouldn't be getting done. He would be saying, no, sorry. I'd sooner buy you a new pair than fix these. But you just never know. Young James might end up being, if he's lucky, the son-in-law. Dr. James marrying my daughter, yeah, Dr. Abigail. 2 doctors. Pair of quacks. No, I'm the quack for mending these because I don't even know if are they any good, these? Are they just, you know, I'm doing 60 quid's worth of work to a 40 quid's worth a trainer. It's anyway, I'm trying to pull this back because I know it's going to come off. Right.
That was the ditching for a bit.
Yeah, Paul. That's Paul's advice is get a new bloke with some decent shoes. Let's get in there. So you can't just put glue onto this. You can't just jam it up again. Look at that gap. Run your glue in there. You've got to clean it up. If you don't clean it up, it ain't gonna stick. Super glue would stick it, of course, but that would be just when you wore them twice. So we've got to get all that. What a bleeding job. So not only have we got to do this side, we've got to do look at that. James. Blood. I'm bleeding. Oh man. I hope they're expensive, I do. So now we've got to take all the glue off the white side. Do you know, the strange thing is, you do catch your fingers in this game. Not that often. When did you last catch yourself, Paul? A couple of weeks ago. You do it because you're on this machinery. The nice thing is, doesn't hurt, can't feel it. Got super. Yeah, that's it. You're gonna slip. Look at that. You're gonna slip. Cut your fingers, don't cut the shoe. Your fingers will heal. The pain of buggering about. But I'll tell you what, young James does a good meal. He likes to do a bit of chefing. Right, that's ready for gluing down. So, all of this glue here, this will just peel off. Go on, get in there.
Recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. Look, I'm recording this. I'm only recording it for James. Look, cut my finger as well.
Just seen your post.
That boy owes me a good meal. Right, we'll get on with the other one. You don't need to see that. Right, so now we're just rubbing the excess glue off. This is a lump of crepe, and it's made of glue. Crepe is actually a glue, a form of a glue. It's not a rubber, and it sticks to glue really well. I don't know if I've got another piece. Paul, have you got a piece of crepe there? Oh, a piece here, look, piece here. And the thing with crepe is like that.
Bond you a day night uni.
Bond it, bodge it and scarper. See if you can pull that off. Directly rather than bend it. Don't bend. Oh, don't bend it.
Well,
I was going to just pull it. Can you pull it off? Can you go on? Pull it. Go on. Look at that. Yeah, that's crepe with no glue. No glue. It just sticks itself to itself. Yeah. Anyway, back to my boring job. Not that he wouldn't wear all this off anyway. When he walked on it, he'd just tidy it up a little bit.
No worries. Have a nice trip. Turn out, John.
See you later. And that's glued back together. Made a nice job of that one. Yep.